Ka Frank Motors hakasngi satjan ka art paulai tarik nai lur araja art paulai. Kala pelai paidbah ya ka kali thymmai ka Nexon, ha ka ba ka ni ka kali ka don ka jingkala ka ba thymmai na ka banta ban pensuk bat ka jing shingan ya ki nongnya. Ya ka ni ka kali new Nexon la pelai paidbah ha phalau jong ka Shillong Club da uba David Light Plang President jong ka Shillong Press Club kum ukong san. Haringkat ka jingdon lang kinong trei ka Tata Motors ki dekhot ka Shillong Press Club bat ki basha khot sngobha.
Always be better late than never. Just a few words. I was just thinking, actually, something nice about Tata that I've seen, and forget about David Light-Plang being the president of the Shillong Press Club or whatever. Just David Light-Plang as a journalist and as a citizen and as somebody who has seen the motor industry evolve from one place to another. And the champions of all of this have actually been Tata Motors. And it's amazing. They've started from massive four-wheelers. They went down to mediocre, mid-size vehicles, and they're evolving further. There is so many things that Tata is doing to make itself. I know everybody in the whole country says Indica was not good enough because it did have problems, but the strength of Tata Motors, the strength of the Tata industry, the strength of Tatas is that they realize that we have to build ourselves better, and they didn't wait for any impetus or anything else. Atmanirbhar has always been Tata, and they have shown it. They have signed so many MOUs to develop themselves and develop others in various technologies. But most specifically, it has always been in the automobile industry. And I think Tata has done something which has been amazing. It's been amazing. They've evolved. It's like, well, you know what my t-shirt says if you have a look. It says, I don't get old. I'm just move up one level. Nexon was here for some time. Nexon was here for some time, and I think it's moved a level up. And it's a proud moment. I just hope that whoever the dealers are here, whoever deals with Tata, will also understand the local needs and the requirements and how we can actually facilitate and make people understand the value of Tata Motors. One, two, three. Okay, so this is what
key changes actually. As the saying goes, the beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. So behold